How to change server name in Discord Mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open Discord and log in to your account. From the server sidebar, click on the server that you want to change the name of. Click on the three vertical dots next to the server's name. From the toolbar, click on Settings. From the Settings section, click on Overview. And here you will see the option to change the server's name next to the server's picture. Change the server's name to whatever you want. Once you are done, click the Save button. And that's it. That's how to change server name in Discord Mobile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.